Hi guys, and welcome to Kiddoskoral. Today I am going to be showing you guys finally how I make my fajita bowls. This has been hugely requested by you guys, and I apologize because my last prep video something happened to those files and I was so aggravated, I was so mad. So I'm finally sharing with you guys how I make my fajita bowls. Now, fajita bowls does not have cheese, it does not have sour cream, it doesn't have, I don't even use salsa, but if you want to add those things, you can. But for me and the type of diet that I'm doing, I cannot have those things. But my son, Dylan, he takes everything out of the fajita bowl and he wraps it in a tortilla and he adds whatever he likes, and it is super delicious. But I have to say, I'm using the fajita seasoning that was shown in the previous prep video. So if you guys want that video, I will link it down below in the description box for you guys. It is really, really good, and there's no sugar, which is fantastic because a lot of those little seasoning packets that you buy from the store has sugar in it. So I love the fact that I know what's going into it, for one thing. But second of all, the thing that I really do like the most is the fact that the longer it sits in the refrigerator, the more it takes on all of that fantastic seasoning, and it is so delicious. Anyhow, it is Sunday, guys. Hello. My hair is in a bun. I'm just doing this as a relaxed video for you guys today. I hope you guys enjoy seeing how I make my fajita bowls. Okay, you are looking at two different pans. One is bigger than the other, obviously, for the reasoning that you are going to need a pan that will hold all of these vegetables. Now, I have zucchini, I have onion, I have mushrooms, and bell pepper in here. You can do any kind of vegetables that you choose, but I love to make this with whatever I have in the refrigerator. So this back burner here, I'm going to add just a little bit of olive oil to this pan. And then I'm going to add in my vegetables. And I realize mushrooms are not a vegetable, but mushrooms are delicious nevertheless. So there we go. I'm going to turn this on medium heat. And I'm just going to allow this to cook down. And I'm just going to add this on top so that the vegetables sweat. In this pan, I'm going to add in a little more olive oil. And this is 3 large chicken breasts, but you certainly can cook as much as you want. And I cut them about 1 inch in about 1 inch pieces. I'm going to turn this on medium heat, and all I want to do is get this chicken and these vegetables cooked to the way that I prefer it to be. My chicken is about done, and what I like to do is I like to add my fajita seasoning to it. Just go ahead and get it good and seasoned and stir that in. I've turned my heat down because my vegetables aren't quite ready yet. So I'm going to let this seasoning sit on this chicken, let my vegetables get done, and then we're going to season those, and then we're going to put the vegetables with the chicken. Okay, my vegetables are good and done. I'm going to turn the heat off of those, and I'm going to take the lid off. I'm going to add about the same amount of seasoning to my vegetables as I did my chicken. I'm going to get that good and stirred in, just like that. Oh, that smells so good. I have got a glass bowl here, and I'm going to add, make sure you guys can see it okay. I'm going to add in all of my vegetables. There we go. The easiest way to do this. Okay. Now I'm going to add in my chicken. Here we go. I like to use tongs. It just helps me get in there a lot easier. And then all I do is I separate all of this into individual containers. You can add rice to this if you like brown rice, because I'm in that part of the 17-day diet where you can have a half a cup of brown rice a day, so you can actually add a little bit of brown rice to this if you would like. But this is delicious. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing this recipe, and I'll be talking to you all again soon. And yeah, so I'm gonna box this up.